Good morning, everyone. Thanks very much for tuning into our workshop. Today I'm going to show you a little instructional video all about using this great online resource called Canva. It's really good for producing digital media and really simple for students to use. So when you log into Canva, it's really simple to create your own account. Just a few clicks of a button and you're there. And this is the page that you will be greeted with. Now, when you create a design, you'll be given this particular page and you'll see that there's many different types of resources that you can create. So you can create posters, certificates, and just pay attention to the layout. So for example, if you selected this poster here, any design that you make would be in portrait form. And if you were after something that was landscape, obviously select something like this certificate here. So if we go for a poster, we'll have a look at designing our own poster. Now, it will originally bring you up lots of different ready-made posters that people have created. And if you like, you could simply choose one of these, and then you can modify that yourself. Or if you'd much rather just create your own, here you've got your blank page, which you can use, and you can just add elements to your page as you wish. So on the left-hand side, you've got all of your different tabs with the different things that you can be adding. Elements is the place to go if you want to add things like images, grids, frames, different shapes. And the majority of these things are all free. If there's a little price underneath, that means that you have to upgrade, but they've got so many free resources on here. It's a really, really good tool. So I'm going to start with some grids, and I'm just going to add a very simple grid here. You'll see that drops that into your page for you. And I'm going to go to my uploads. Now, these are images that I've actually uploaded to this site myself, so things that I downloaded from Google and then uploaded to Canva. And again, it's really simple. Just click on the upload your images and you just upload those straight from your computer. And again, really simple for students to use if they have access to a computer or a Chromebook. And it's then as simple as just dragging and dropping these into this bit here, dragging and dropping those into the frame. So let's go for a Muscat themed poster. So there I've got my 3 images. I can then go back into, well, I can try my text and I can add some text in just by clicking. You'll see that it then moves onto my poster. Okay, I can then look at moving this around to wherever I want it to go. Okay, really simple to change the font. Okay, you can change font size. You can even change the color of your font. Okay, there's so many different things that you can do with Canva. Now, as soon as you're happy with what you've done, really simple just to download your poster. And this will just save it as a PDF for you, and it will save straight to the device that you're working on. Okay, and there we go. It's now done. So I can now access my poster in PDF form, and that's just ready to use. Now, we've used this so many times in class as ways for students to express their learning and their understanding. And the kids have really, really enjoyed using this because they're able to produce some really professional looking posters and pieces of work. So I would suggest have an explore, give it a go and think about how you can maybe use this in your own classroom.